M0 is given 0.85, G0 is given 21.2 kilovolt per centimeter RMS value. Then the delta air density we need to calculate the temperature for air density. Delta, the data they are given, the temperature is 40 degree and atmospheric pressure, you can say the pressure it is in the pressure which is given, that is 76 centimeter, which is B. It is indicated by B. It is indicated by B. So first, and the other data, radius is also given 1.5 centimeter. D is given 200 centimeter. Then okay, and remaining we will see. And line voltage is 220 kV. So this is normal voltages. So we will indicate a V line. Right. Now we need to calculate the power loss, PC, or you can say the power loss. That is the question mark. Right. So these are the data. Now we will see the solution. So first step is to find air density. And we have seen the equation of air density, that is the 3.92 multiply B divided 273 plus T. So I will put the value of B is 76, 273 plus temperature is 40. So we have 0.952, that is your delta. Then second step, that is VD. So what is the VD? VD is M0, G0, then delta into R into log D by R base E, and the answer is kilovolt per phase value, and it is RMS value. So putting all the values, let's say 0.85, G0 is given, G0 is 21.2 multiply 0.952, R is 1.5 and log 200 by 1.5 base E. And the answer of VD is 125.9 kilovolt. That is the second step. Now the third step, the line voltage is, which is V, which is given 220 kV. So phase value of that VP, let's say it is VL. So it is 220 by root 3 kV, and the answer is 127 kV. Right. And the fourth step, the power loss, or you can say your corona loss. So corona loss has the equation PC equal to, we have seen this equation, PC equal to 242.2 by delta f plus 25 under root r by d and v minus vc square multiply 10 raised to minus 5, right? Kilovolt per kilometer per phase. So putting all the values in this equation, let's say 242.2, delta is 0.952, f is 50 plus 25, it's a frequency, r is under root, r is 1.5 by 200. Then this V is the line voltages in a phase value, that is 127 in kilovolt, and VC that we have calculated, VC means VD, and that value we have calculated 125.9 whole square into 10 raised to minus 5 kilovolt per kilometer per phase. And the answer of this, it is 0.01999 kilovolt per kilometer per phase, right? And total corona, it is the phase value, so we need the total corona, which is, I will write properly, total corona for 3 phase. What we need to do, multiply 3 with 0.01999, and the answer is 0.05998 kilovolt per kilometer, right? So this is the answer. So in this example, the first step is to find that delta, then VD, critical disruptive voltage, then the line voltage is given. So we need to convert into the phase value. Then the last step is the loss, corona loss. So we have already written this equation. So put all the values of delta, then frequency, then transmission line voltage in phase value, then disruptive voltage per phase, right? And put all the value and you can find the answer. So this type of example sometime asked in examination. So we have seen the 3 examples regarding corona, right? So in the next lecture, we will see some another topic, right? Of one remaining chapter in my portion, right? So thank you. I will end this session.